Hey Toolkit besties! Ever wish you had a magical sidekick to help with goal writing, progress monitoring, and lesson planning? Well, if you're a ChatGPT user, get ready because your wish just came true. We are beyond excited to introduce to you SLP Toolkit's AI-powered assistant. Whether you need to fine-tune some of your progress monitoring, streamline goal writing, or just want to explore some of the features within the software, SLP Toolkit's AI-powered helper is designed to make your job easier than ever before. Let's go over some of the ways SLP Toolkit's AI assistant can save you time and effort. Struggling to craft the perfect IEP goal? No worries. This AI assistant makes it simple. Simply enter a few key details like your student's age, area of need, and current skill level. And within seconds, you'll have measurable, tailored goals ready to go. You can then go ahead and copy and paste this information into the goal section of your student's profile, and you're all set. Writing progress reports just got a whole lot easier. Once you have collected data for your student, head to the Reports tab and download the Data Sorted by Goal report. Before moving forward, don't forget to remove any sensitive student info from your document, such as your student's full name or date of birth, in order to stay compliant with FERPA's guidelines. You can use a free tool such as this one called Small PDF to quickly redact any confidential details. Once you have that, upload the file into your AI assistant. And voila! A professional summary of your student's progress is ready for you instantly. Your AI assistant will even ask if you would like a parent-friendly, condensed version of the summary. Once you have that, you can copy and paste it into your student's progress reports, and you are good to go. Need fresh lesson ideas? The AI assistant has you covered. Just enter a few key details like the student's grade level, group size, goal areas, session length, and preferred theme or topic. In seconds, you'll have a ready-to-go plan. No more last-minute scrambling for ideas. Need help navigating SLP Toolkit? The AI assistant has the answers. Whether you're setting up a rotating schedule or exploring reports, just type in your question and instantly you'll get step-by-step instructions. It's like having an expert on call anytime you need it. And that's it. Your SLP Toolkit AI assistant is here to help save you time and effort so that you can focus on what matters most, your students. Ready to give it a try? Click on the AI Assistant button in the top right-hand corner of your account and click on the link to start exploring.